Hello guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop background music or any audio on a specific slide in PowerPoint. As you can see, I already have a presentation with background music added to all the slides. Let's start by testing the presentation. As you noticed, the audio plays continuously across all the slides. It doesn't stop at any point. To make it stop on a specific slide, first click on the audio icon where you inserted the audio. In my case, it's on the first slide. Now, go to the Animations tab and click the small arrow next to the audio animation to open the effect options. In the Stop Playing section, you'll see that by default the audio stops after 999 slides, which means it keeps playing throughout the presentation. To make it stop on slide 4, simply set it to stop after slide 3. Hit Enter and let's test it. And there you go. The music stops exactly on slide number 4. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.